Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix white or blank icons on apps after updating to iOS 18. Follow these simple steps to get your apps back to normal. So let's get started. If the white app icon is inside a folder, press and hold any app in the folder, like go to any type of folder. As example, I will just show you. Just go to folder and just tap and hold it. Drag it out the folder, like you have to drag it out of the folder, and you have to keep it here, and that's it. Then drag it back into file or folder, and that's it. This trick works for some users, but if it doesn't, try the next fix, like resize your app icons. Press and hold any app until the icons start shaking. Do it. Wait. Tap onto edit home screen. Make the apps icons larger, then smaller again, like you can do it. You can change it from larger and then change it back to smaller, like just hold it and then tap onto edit home screen and then tap onto edit, and you have to click on customize and tap onto small. That's it. This might refresh the icons and fix the issue. And the third step is update the apps on your iPhones from your app store. Just go to your profile icon at the top right corner and you can see all the apps which is needed to update, and just click on update all or on the specific app and just click on update. Scroll down to see pending app or updates, like you can see here. As you can see, mine is already updated. That's it. Older apps may not be compatible with the newest iOS update, so make sure they're updated to new versions. So that's it. And make sure free up storage on your iPhone, because sometimes this problem occur for your storage shortage. Go to general, then tap on iPhone storage and empty your storage from here. Like you can see my photos and GarageBand etc using that much of files, and you can delete it from here. Like tap onto empty and you can tap on to delete from this iPhone and it will delete all things, and that's it. Aim to have at least 5 GB free space. And the last option is force start your iPhone. To do it, you have to quickly press the volume up and volume down button, then hold the side button and just select power off. This will refresh your system network, and this should solve your problem. And update to the iOS, like update to the newest versions of iOS, and that's it. Your problem should be solved. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for my iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.